Hi, good morning everyone. Let's get started with the next topic for this training session, which is on group creation, group management using UME. Basically, in the SAP Enterprise Portal using Identity Management tab, we create the groups. This is basically the user management engine for managing portal. So before creating a group, we will search whether the group exists or not. So that is one thing, but here we are searching what type of admins are there. So that is just a filtering criteria, that is use a wildcard called star and search if anything by that name exists or not. Okay, now let's create a group. We are creating a group called test group. Okay, given the description, let's save this group. Now this group is created, but there is no roles or users or anything assigned to this. So now what we'll do is we are going to modify this group. So you can see that there is no role, nothing is assigned to it, and so here we are searching this admin group, whether this group has admin assigned to it is or not. So in this case it is not. So let's click on modify available group. On the left side you can see the available group. So from the available group we'll select say for example I want to select all the groups over here. So I'll just click on all the groups and click on add. So everything is get added, and I'll just save it, and all these roles will be assigned to this particular group called test group. Okay, so that is how we assign roles to a group. Now here you can see assign parent group. So in case if we want to use the parent and child combinations, we can use it. Here we can assign these groups, the group that we have created, to a particular user. So let's search assigned user whether it is there or not. So no, this user is not assigned to this group. So let's add this user. Let's assign this group to this particular user. Okay, so we have selected a user, test user, and I'm going to add both these users to this particular group. Here you can see the adapt data source, the UME data source. Both the data source has come in the search. Okay, so you can see both the different data sources here in this search engine. So that is pretty much actually how you create a group, how you assign the users to a group, how you assign the roles to a group, and how do you search whether the existing group exists or not, how do you find out whether the roles, what roles are assigned to a particular group, what users are assigned to a particular group, whether the user mapping is done with the external system or not. Okay, so that is pretty much I wanted to cover in this particular training session. Thank you for joining.